Welcome to the channel Protect My Home. Today project will be installing this Tesla wall charger. So the reason of this video is to show you some of the specs of the charger. So per manufacturer requirements, in order to get charging 48 amps output, maximum output, you will be required to use a 60 amp double pole breaker. But there is the trick here. I mean, if your breaker is only rated at 60 degrees Celsius, you're required to use 4 gauge wire. So what I did here, I use a breaker which is rated by 75 degrees Celsius, and this gives me the chance to use a 6 gauge wire. So using 6 gauge wire instead of 4, it's a little bit more easier to work with it. It's still difficult, but it's not that thick as a 4 gauge wire. It's not that expensive as well. So what I did in that situation here, I ran 6 3 wire. Your wall adapter does not require 6 3 wire. It only requires 6 2, which has two hot wires and a ground. But I decided to add a wire which got extra neutral. So in case a customer decides in the future to change the adapter or to change the car which requires neutral wire will be already there. So you gotta be watching on those specs. Make sure you're using a conduit to protect your wire, and make sure that the conduit is strapped. In my case, I use 3/4 conduit. It's, and also I make sure that my adapter is attached to the studs. So follow us for more tips, and please subscribe. And yeah, it looks great and it works great. So we're getting a 48 amps of maximum output. So thank you for watching again, and see you next time. Please subscribe. Have a nice day.